The unboxing experience immediately creates a positive first impression. Ruko clearly treats the F11 Pro 2 Plus as more than just a gadget, presenting it as a portable creative tool ready for real-world use. Inside the box, the drone arrives neatly organized alongside the remote controller, two intelligent batteries, charging accessories, spare propellers, tools, documentation, and a compact carrying case. The inclusion of two batteries greatly improves the overall usability, allowing for much longer shooting sessions without interruption. The carrying case also feels surprisingly solid and practical, offering better protection and portability than the simple soft bags commonly found in this price category. Visually, the Ruko F11PRO 2 Plus follows the familiar folding drone design language seen across the industry, but with a noticeably more refined fit and finish than expected at this level. The matte gray body looks modern and clean, while the folding arms feel solid and reliable during repeated use. In hand, the drone feels sturdier than many entry-level rivals, with minimal chassis flex and good overall rigidity, even in moderate wind conditions. The front LED lighting improves visibility during evening flights, while adding a more premium appearance. The remote controller also impresses with its ergonomic layout, secure phone mount, and smooth, responsive control sticks that make longer flying sessions comfortable and beginner-friendly. Battery endurance is genuinely one of the strongest aspects of the Ruko F11PRO 2 Plus. Ruko advertises up to 37 minutes per battery, with the included dual battery setup offering a combined theoretical maximum of around 74 minutes of flight time. In real-world usage, actual endurance naturally varies depending on wind conditions, flight style, and recording activity, but I consistently achieved impressive results during extended sessions. Compared to many drones that struggle to pass the 20-minute mark, the F11PRO 2 Plus feels far more practical for travel and outdoor exploration. PD 3.0 fast charging also helps minimize downtime, while the intelligent batteries feature clear status indicators that make power management simple and convenient during everyday use. The centerpiece of the F11PRO 2 Plus experience is undoubtedly its camera system. Ruko equips the drone with a 48-megapixel sensor capable of capturing 8K photos and 4K 30 frames per second video, paired with a proper 3-axis brushless mechanical gimbal. In real-world use, the gimbal becomes the standout feature, delivering impressively smooth and stable footage during movement, altitude changes, and light wind conditions. Unlike many competitors that rely mainly on electronic stabilization, the mechanical setup here produces far more cinematic results. Daylight image quality is sharp and vibrant enough for travel videos, social media content, and casual photography, while the 48-megapixel sensor also provides additional flexibility for cropping during editing. Low-light performance is surprisingly respectable as well, with evening scenes and sunset footage maintaining good detail and controlled noise levels when flying slowly and steadily.